Hey folks, welcome to the DoItYourselfDad channel. Today I have to apologize, and it's about this thing. If you have been around the channel for a bit, you may have seen earlier this week I put out a video on the Wyze Band, and I did point out a problem with it. When it goes into the water, it turns itself on and off. But I did say a lot of nice things about the Wyze Band, and when I had gotten it, I was pretty clear in the video that I had only had the thing for a day and I had worn it for a day. The problem is, after that first day of wearing it, everything went wrong. This thing, it was great. It was very responsive. I was getting alerts immediately. The Alexa feature was working, and a lot of things were working really well with it. And then day two, I woke up in the morning, watch worked, everything came on, but I was getting no alerts. So I went over to the app to see what was going on. And I come into the app, and here it is. I've got my cameras up right now. And I go into the Wyze Band. And it would say up at the very top of the app, not connected. And I would try this connecting thing. You can see it right there up at the top, the little thing spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning. And it's not connecting. Now, originally, when it was not connecting, the deal was that I was still getting notifications, but then it got to the point where I wasn't even getting notifications. So when it doesn't connect, any of your data doesn't go back and forth. You don't get notifications, you don't get, oh, there it is. The couldn't connect to the band, try again 24. And then when you click on this little question mark guy, it tells you what to do. We did all those things. I counted. I did all of those things 9 times, including uninstalling and reinstalling the Wyze app. I did everything. Could not get this thing to reconnect. It would reconnect each time I reinstalled everything. It would work for a short amount of time, and as soon as I got a distance away from my phone that it couldn't connect anymore, it disconnected permanently. Now, what's interesting, he said, cannot connect to the band. If I come back out into my Bluetooth settings, it shows that it is connected via Bluetooth. So it's never dropped Bluetooth connectivity. It just for some reason can't find the app. I have been on the boards, and a lot of other people have been having the exact same problem. So I've actually had to pull down the other video, and I'm putting this video up. I sincerely hope that Wyze gets this figured out. I am a big fan of their products. We've got all their other stuff on our channel. You can check out those videos. I sincerely hope they get this figured out, but right now I cannot recommend this band to you. So if you saw that video, my apologies, and from here on out, I have a new commitment to all my viewers. I will not put up a video that quickly. I'll shoot a video on maybe day 1 or day 2, but I'm gonna hold on to a product for much longer before I put a video out to recommend it, because it may perform well right when I get it and fall apart, and I don't wanna recommend a bad product to you. So, if this video helped you out at all, I hope it did, and I hope you are having good luck with your band if you do have one. Some people are saying they're having great experiences. I just haven't. I will update this thing. I'll pull this video down. If everything gets fixed, they run an update and everything is good to go. And I'll put the old one back up. But right now, can't honestly recommend this thing. So if this video helped you at all, give me a great big thumbs up. Go down below. Let me know what you thought about the Wyze Band or any of the other Wyze products and what other stuff you'd like us to review. And of course, thanks for watching.